All right, let's look at the homework 9, problem number 12. All right, so let's evaluate this indefinite integral. All right, so we can use general power rule, but I'm going to use the substitution on this one. All right, so I'm going to use substitution. Let u be 5x plus 9. All right. Then go through the usual drills. Take the derivative of u with respect to x. You get 5, right? And then take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have a dx over du, which is equal to 1 over 5. Then we're going to multiply through by du. So that we have dx isolated. So it's going to be at du over 5, right? So we decided to call this 5x plus 9. So this is our u. So we can rewrite this indefinite integral as, all right, so you have a u, raise it to the negative 8. But the dx is equivalent to du over 5, right? So since you have a constant 1 over 5, so that's just a constant multiple. So I'm going to kick it outside of the integral there. So I'm going to go here. So I'm going to put the 1 over 5 in front. Then we have u to the negative 8 du. Right? This is just power rule, so applying power rule. Add 1 to the power, so you have add 1, so negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7, and then divided by negative 7. And since this is an indefinite integral, you have plus c at the end. All right, then clean it up. So you have 1 over. All right, so there's a negative sign there. So 5 times 7 is 35. All right, then u used to be 5x plus 9. So you put the original expression back in. And then you have a negative 7 power plus c. Right? And if you want, if you have a negative power, you can probably write it as a negative 1 over, right, 35 on the bottom, and you can put the quantity 5x plus 9 on the bottom, and since it's a negative power, so we can put the 7th power here, plus some constant c. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we got negative 1 over 35 quantity 5x plus 9, raise it to the 7th power, and then plus some constant c. All right, let's check the answer. All right, got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.